Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain and can also look really cool. Let's get started. So first we will open our Google Chrome. Here is our Google Chrome and you can see that everywhere is light up. So now we have to do is come over these three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen, and this will open a menu. Scroll down a little bit and after that here you will find settings option. Click on that. After clicking on settings option, you will find the appearance in your left scroll bar. So click on appearance and from here you can find the option called mood. You can see, click on that and here is three option called dark. Here you can see our Google Chrome become dark and also device. If we click on dark, you can see our Google Chrome is properly in dark mode. But if we go to YouTube, you can see, type YouTube and click enter. But here you can see it's not properly in dark mode. Our Google Chrome is in dark mode, but our YouTube is not in dark mode. For setup YouTube in dark mode, it's very easy. Just click on this icon and come over this appearance device theme and select dark theme. And here you can see our YouTube is properly in dark theme. You can see. So this is how you can change your Google Chrome into dark theme or dark mode on. So there you have it folks, 2 easy ways to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.